In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable restricted mode for Python files in VS Code. If you've opened a Python script and found that certain features are grayed out or extensions won't run, VS Code is likely protecting you with restricted mode. This security feature limits automatic tasks, code execution, and extension activity when the editor isn't sure the file or its folder can be trusted. It's great for safety, but when you're working with files you know are safe, you'll want to lift those restrictions so the Python tools can do their job. Start by opening Visual Studio Code on your computer. With the editor up, head to the top left corner and open the File menu. From there, choose Open File. This option is perfect when you just want to work with a single Python script without switching the entire workspace. In the file picker that appears, navigate to your .py file, select it, and click Open. VS Code will load the file into the editor, and at this point it may activate restricted mode, especially if the file came from a download, a sync location, or a path VS Code hasn't seen before. After the file opens, look down at the bottom left corner of the window. If restricted mode is active, you'll see a clear indicator labeled Restricted Mode in the status bar. Click that indicator. A prompt will appear explaining that features are limited until you trust the contents. Go ahead and choose Trust. The moment you do, VS Code will lift the restrictions for this content, allowing your Python extensions, IntelliSense, linters, formatters, and debuggers to run as expected. This is the key action that disables restricted mode for your current work, so your environment behaves normally again. A quick word on safety. Only trust content you recognize and control, such as your own project files or code from a reliable source. Trust tells VS Code it's okay to let extensions execute tasks like running scripts, accessing tools, or analyzing code. If you aren't sure about the origin of a file, keep it restricted until you've reviewed it. That's it. You opened your Python file through the File menu, checked the status bar, clicked the restricted mode indicator, and selected Trust. Your Python workflow should now be fully enabled, with code completion, running, and debugging back to normal. If you ever need to review or adjust Trust later, you can do so in VS Code's Workspace Trust settings. Thanks for watching, and enjoy coding with the full power of your Python tools.